let's restart. Let's respond, like they say. Let's respond, cause I got toe. Ah! I got toe. Oh, hold on. I should be doing this. I should be doing this in the garage. We might do this in the garage later. But hold on. Let me go get a little more flight room. You know how they say some elbow room? Let's get some more flight room. Move the couch a little bit. Oh, boom. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's go. All right, let's go again, y'all. All right, that was called the warm-up flight. Test flight is over. Real stuff is on. Let's go. In the air, in the air. 2 choppers, 1 controller. Let's go. You know, we should. I'm gonna try to fly them next to each other. Can you guys see them? I hope y'all can see them. Okay. Hopefully this ain't too close.